I'm back and we are pretty much done. We've made a baby. All we need to do is assemble that baby. And I am not gonna do an assembly video for this series just because I don't think it's necessary. There are so many assembly videos online and they're all pretty much the same. There's not a lot of creative variation. I'm not gonna be offering anything new. And so I'm just gonna leave that part out. I do use microglass beads. I use really soft fiber fill. I use rings and I use plugs. And I use zip ties. I pull out strings out of bodies that still have strings. I like to use bodies that are fitted and formed, that have, you know, the ruching and the little booties sewn into them. That's about it. I mean, I'm following the same exact thing that everybody else is. This video is just kind of a wrap up. What I'm going to do before I get everybody assembled is I'm going to do a quick inspection. Remember Landon in the beginning, he had that Sharpie mark on his leg. I cannot even find it, and I don't know which leg it is now because it is gone. Here it is. Only reason why I know is because I remember making that vein. That's where the Sharpie mark would have been. It's now a little series of spider veins, and you can't even tell that that was ever there. That worked itself out. Hallelujah. He's done. This little baby that we just did a little bit of matte varnish for texture on the head, came out wonderful. The eyebrows didn't texture up, so I think I might do another layer on those eyebrows and get that baby moistened. Face is fine. That look alive did not get too shiny on the face, but it did get a little dewy / shiny on the limbs. I think it looks fine. Some people might not like that. I don't know, but I think it looks great. I'm going to go through all the babies and I'm going to give them a good inspection. I'm going to look at fingernails. I'm going to look and see if there's any messy spots, anything that I can fix or take care of before I get them assembled. Once I get them assembled, there's no fixing anything. And there are still fixes that can be done, like if you have a little bit of muddiness or dirty or creasing that you want to get rid of, if you have some spots where maybe the varnish built up, I don't know. Anything you can think of, if you've got a little bit of dirty part on the ear, if maybe one of those fingertips didn't stay on, you can always fix that. Any little bits, go through it with a fine-tooth comb, get them all done, and then I assemble. When I come back, you are going to see all of the babies assembled. I think what I might do is get them all dressed and then give you a little fashion show, and we'll do one baby at a time. And that's really about it. You and I just made 5 gorgeous babies. In my opinion, I like them. I think they're cute. And it was super, super, super fun. I really mean that. I had a really great time. I didn't think this would be a great experience, but it really was. And I hope it was helpful. And I think I'm not gonna stop here. I think I have more videos to make and more Reborn talking to do. And maybe we'll share some other artsy craftsy things down the road. Have a great day.